Heather and Yain, and we have taken the leap, bought a LUTON van, and we're converting it so we can travel the world in our tiny home on wheels. This week on the van build, we have made some mistakes. And it meant we had to unscrew these bits after we'd Sikaflexed all this, remove all the Sikaflex, redo it all, and then get this on. And in the process, we also managed to use the wrong screws for the wrong parts. So although this might not be a how-to video, I hope you enjoy watching us build our van and have a laugh along the way. Subscribe below to see this ex-moving van become more and more of a home every week.
The lights are on, but nobody's home. Look at this, you can actually see all the kind of stuff we've done from here. It's quite cool.
Roof light is in!
Yeah, roof lights in. Let me go show you guys from the outside. So it looks like when the lights are on. So we've now got a roof light which is just on there, which you can't quite see from here. Obviously our kitchen window, our door, and we've got two of these big massive windows. All good to go and the lights are on.
Using the same kind of method as before, so we got this kind of big moving box piece of cardboard with the Stanley knife. Had it in there and kind of cut it as much shape as we could. And now we're drawing around it. Probably need a few adjustments on the other side, but that'll be best kind of fit that we can get from measuring the gap that we had up on top. Oh, she's snug as a bug! As if that actually worked. Yeah, baby! That is nailed, screwed, even down, not going anywhere. Mission complete. And that is us.
Almost getting a bedroom.
Yeah, and off to see the fireworks, because it's bonfire night.
Fireworks time, baby.
So we're gonna drop you off, get glad ragged up, and get some food.
Yeah, I don't know about glad ragged. I'm going to be wrapped up.
Oh yeah, warm.
Relax.
Warm.
I'm impressed.
Bye-bye.
Done. Bye, Felicia. Good morning, gang. Guess what? It's me again. I'm back. Been out away working, now I'm back. So you don't have to listen to Heather whining on anymore. I'm also ditching her this morning because she is editing last week's video and she hasn't finished yet because she is a bit lazy. Don't let her hear me say that. But I'm going to do some more stuff in the van while she's doing that. But she is currently looking for a nail gun we have in that shed somewhere. And then I'm going to try and put some plyboard up around our cab so that we can finish that. And I'm also going to try and get a MAXXFAN fitted today. Ooh. And yes, I am wearing an issued buffalo or softie. No, I don't care if anyone fancies messaging in and saying that. But if you want one, I'll stick a link in below and I'll get some of the boys from the CQ store to rob you one as well. Heather hates it when I wear a issued kit. But this is probably one of the only pieces of kit that was actually worth keeping because it's awesome. And I keep getting fiberglass all over my expensive stuff, so we're wearing it. There she is.
In the maze.
Having a good morning, darling?
Yeah. Video editing.
She's a liar.
Great.
It's not a good morning. She's having a bad morning. What was that?
Yeah.
Do you need some help?
Yeah, well, you just sit there and film. Yeah, you do that, and I'll just find all the stuff. You can actually see it though; it's all the way down there.
Do you need me to come and get it for you?
No.
Sure, you don't need me to do it for you?
I love the way you phrase that. It's not like, "Hey, darling, would you like some help?" It's like, "Do you need me to do it for you?"
Do you need these big manly arms to come over there and help you?
Get lost.
You know, you've currently completely disappeared from the screen. Oh, there she is.
There's your staple gun.
There's no. That's not a staple gun. What are you talking about?
Yeah, it's a freaking staple gun, you freaking prick. I'm being unnecessarily nasty. I get that. Okay.
She's been a bit rude this morning.
You've been a bit useless this morning.
What?
You heard. I did it. There you go. Staple gun.
Thanks, darling. Probably not going to use it.
I know.
Joking. Woo, we got one. Yeah, it says nail on there too.
Yeah.
You've even got nails in here.
Yeah.
Good work. We probably didn't need to buy one of that one that I bought yesterday.
Bring it back.
That was
That's
like
why you've got a receipt.
£40.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Felicia. Take the dogs with you.
Here. Come on. Come on, Rose. Come on, Rose. In.
We're off. To the van. I didn't bring the van keys. I'm going to have to walk all the way back in. You're not going to see that because I'm going to cut it out. Or Heather, cut this bit out. Right, one step at a time. We've now got our roof light in. Very good. No water coming in through there last night, which is cool, and all the sea deflectors gone off hard. This bedroom floor is now in, which is cool, so it actually gives us a bit of a working space in here now again, so we can put... The idea was we wanted to get this area sorted so that we can actually put the tools and stuff up here, keep them out of the way of down here where we actually want to cut stuff and do stuff, keep them on our feet. And it stops obviously all the insulation and stuff getting ripped while we're up on there working, which we were a lot. Now what I'm going to do again to try and stop, because all of this has been taped up now nicely by Heather, well done, is we're going to... No, she hasn't actually taped, she's done this, she hasn't done it over there, so I'm going to have to do that. But we're going to put the the pieces of ply up on the side, mount them up to there, curve them round, and then once that one's on and that one's on, we're then going to put one piece on the back here that's going to curve up to there. That's the plan anyway. We've got this 5mm ply, and the reason we got it is because it is flexi 5mm ply, so that'll be perfect for putting up here, because that one needs to curve slightly, and then that one obviously needs to curve quite a bit. Okay, so I've been up there and measured up, and I've basically got this piece of cardboard all taped up into the shape, ready to go. I'm going to put that on top of my ply, draw it out, cut it out. Hey. Now we shall see if it fits. That is not bad. That is pretty damn good. Great success. Very happy with that. Which fits good. What I probably should have done though, which is a bit dumb of me. I'll do it for the other side. Is this piece here. I should have cut that off all the way up, and then it would have fit sideways on this panel, and it would have saved us some wood. Oops. Oh well, that'll be fine. Sorry, Heather. Okay, I've got this little Heather's Arts and Crafts like staple gun, but it does do nails as well, so it's a little nail gun. This is only 5mm ply, so I'm going to attempt, or we're going to see if it works, to use the nail gun on this. If not, I'll screw it all up anyway, so we're going to give it a go. Unfortunately, as I thought, they're too thin and not threaded, obviously. So, because this is bending, it takes quite a lot of pressure. So I'm going to need to put some screws in. Oh, well, was worth a try. Right, take two.
Keep the fire burning.
Okay. So now you've doubled it. Pow!
Doubled it.
And now, pow!
Now I'm attempting to do this, which is
Troublesome? Or?
oh, I know, it's just required me to do kind of multiple cuts, because every time I put it up, I'm like, yep, that's going to fit, and then it kind of doesn't fit. It's a bit of an awkward shape. Take 3.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Ambitious descendant. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright.
Not bad. Pretty good. What are you saying?
I mean, yeah.
I know it's not perfect.
It's not perfect, but it's a really hard shape to get, especially with the curve.
Super hard.
But I mean, it's pretty close.
Cut these corners off, which has really annoyed me down here, because when I first put it in, they wouldn't go in. The 2 corners wouldn't go in, and the middle was really high. So it's like, oh, the corners obviously need to come off. And now I've cut the corners off. It's like, no,
Super dumb.
you definitely didn't need to do that.
Yeah. Oh well.
She is in. She ain't coming out.
I was holding the curve too.
I need to screw it in, obviously. But
Yeah.
push it with my foot to keep the plyboard up against the battens that I'm screwing into, so that the screws aren't, so the wood doesn't pull all the way through the screws. Hopefully, that's the plan. Had a couple do it, but not too many.
We've actually managed to save all this space in front. We're going to be able to finish it the way we want to, which is just a paint finish rather than carpet. And we've managed to put 50mm insulation the whole way in there. So I think we're pretty chuffed with ourselves all round.
Trying for too long. I give up, I love. Looking everywhere.
How do you feel sat up against the side of your bedroom, huh?
It's nice. I like it.
It's nice being able to, like actually just kind of rest against it and not worry about breaking stuff.
So we're going for an early lunch, then we're going to tackle the MAXXFAN fan.
I said that without my lips moving. How did you like that?
As with most things, darling, welcome to married life.
Girl, you should wear a name tag, 'cause all I wanna do is know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get you.
Whoa. Little black lights. Good work, Heather. You made us some soup.
Does that sound sarcastic to you people? I'm noticing some sarcastic notes in that tone.
Not even any sambos, just toast.
Okay, we're back at it. Yain is heading off to B&Q. There he is now.
What are you smiling about?
Nothing.
I don't believe you. What are you saying?
What are you saying?
Will you start this back up for another 20 minutes or so?
Yeah. I am going to want to wait for Yain to get back. Tape up some more of this insulation for the baby barrier. Yeah. And then we're going to play the MAXXFAN.
I've been counting shadows to the beat of the radio. I feel like a baby when I sleep. And then
And it's probably back a little present from B&Q. Some fat short screws for getting the roof in. Oh. So I'm going to put the roof beams in for the insulation. Yain's going to make the frame for the MAXXFAN. I'm going to get some shit done. Let's do it.
Hello everybody, I'm back. Heather obviously hasn't done any filming since I left because she's been lazy. Heather is now putting up the beams so that we can put insulation and cladding on the roof. I am doing the frame. This is my little frame. You can see my little notches cut out to put in up here. Heather almost just died. yeah, it's putting up here for our MAXXFAN, so I am hopefully going to get this MAXXFAN mounted in the next hour, and Heather is hopefully going to get all of these beams put on in the next hour. Up to here, and all the way across. And then, good to go.
I've been counting headlights to the beat of the radio. I feel like I wanna go to sleep, and then you come to me. If we can keep the fire burning till I'm cold.
I bitched about having to buy the canisters for that respirator, but we've got the use out of them anyway. All of the
'Cause in the morning, in the night, maybe we can hold each other tight.
Hello. You're like a whack-a-mole.
Keep it wild.
It's like all the rules to like being on the ice supply being on the fiberglass. It's like lie down, spread your weight.
Keep the fire burning.
Yeah, I'm just Seeker flexing. You can see the full and good view of how messy the inside of our van is from up here.
Right, she's coming up, darling.
Ah, okay, let me move YouTube out of the way. I got it.
Okay,
Yeah.
that inside rim goes inside the hole. Okay.
Let's keep the fire burning, baby, till I'm coming home. Then maybe I won't have the need to let the engine run. 'Cause in the morning, in the night, maybe we can hold each other tight. We can keep the fire burning for a while, babe.
Okay, people, so this might seem really obvious, but before you put the MAXXFAN in, read the instructions, because we initially mounted this base plate the wrong way, as in we mounted it east to west instead of north to south. I don't know if that makes any sense, but essentially we did it the wrong way around, and it meant we had to unscrew these bits after we'd Sikaflexed all this, remove all the Sikaflex, take it out, all the screws, turn it, redo it all, and then get this on. And in the process we also managed to use the wrong screws for the wrong parts. So read the instructions when you do your MAXXFAN.
Never read.
That's all I'm going to say.
Don't do it.
This is Cuffit Master, and he's always wrong. Read the instructions so you don't end up here past dark,
I think these
freezing
ones are okay.
cold.
I think these ones are okay.
Okay, I'm going to stop my winch, going to get back to it. Bye. Okay, the MAXXFAN gods must be looking down on us, because somehow this has not leaked after an absolute calamity. It's been in now for about a week. Drop you a little bit there in the filming. But not a single leak. So just shows you how forgiving this van build stuff can be when you absolutely bugger it up. But yeah, that's in, and that's what it looks like on top. So you can see we're looking at the back of it. I'm in the little skylight here. But honestly, if I'd left Yine to fit this by itself, it would have looked left to right. Oh god, it would have been sideways instead of backwards, which probably would have meant it would have flown off on the motorway. But anyway, that is where I'm going to leave you with this week's vlog. Tune in next week for some cups of tea, some soup for lunch, some van build stuff, including electrics maybe. We need to buy some of that though. The finishing of our roof, that's very exciting, and the subfloor is going down, so lots to be done. Adios.